Hey everyone, it's Kelly today, back with another quick video, and today I'm going to be teaching you all about how you can create your own GIFs quickly and easily. I have 3 different tools that you're going to be able to utilize, and they all make it super simple so you can start creating and sharing GIFs today. Have you ever seen a GIF and wondered, I wish I could make my own? Well, today you will have 3 different ways that you can start easily and quickly creating your own GIFs and sharing them with friends online. I mean, GIFs are so much fun. I like making them and then adding them to emails or sharing them on social, and they give you the ability to add a little bit more personality while also having lots of fun with video. Okay, so the first way we are going to learn about how to make GIFs is by using Canva. So I love Canva for lots of different social media posting and creating different types of assets that you can utilize for your brand and your business, and GIFs are no different. So if you click here on video, then from here, a blank design will come up, and what I like to do is just to choose a video file that I've already created. I do create a lot of videos for clients and myself for my own YouTube content, so we're gonna go over here to video files, and I've just uploaded a couple of different files. I'm going to select this one, which is a brand film that I created for a fellow creative small business owner, and we are going to go in and just shorten this down for the exact little clip that we want to utilize for our GIF. So what we're going to do here is fast forward, and we will go to just this cute little clip of her raising up the margaritas. So we'll start there, and then you go down here to grab the other end of it. You're just going to drag it out. There you go. Okay, so when we play it back, we'll hit play up here. You can see the clip. It's about 2 seconds long. Okay, and so you could easily just click download, and then you're going to go to GIF here. We're going to utilize that tool when we go to download it, but I did want to show you a few different things you can do to make it a little bit more fun and playful. So if you go over here into, let's see, text, we're going to click on this one, and instead of feeling cute, we're going to put in Taco Tuesday. And we'll just resize this a little bit. And put it right over here. Okay, and then in order to make it a little bit more fun and playful, we are going to animate it. So you'll click on the element that you want to animate, and we will do, let's just do scrapbook here. And then we're going to do the same for the taco. So click animate, and we'll go down to scrapbook. Okay, and for some reason it is showing like the little clip right before, but when you play it back, you'll just want to make sure that it looks pretty clean. Okay, and then the other thing you can add in here are some different elements. I'm going to choose this little taco. It's already kind of bouncing for us, which is perfect. And we'll put it right down there. Okay, so we'll play it back. Great. Okay, and then you're going to go up here to download. You want to make sure that this option is selected, and then you're going to hit download. And you see it downloading down here. And then what I like to do is just airdrop it over to my phone. So I'll show you that process as well. Okay, so the next tool we're going to use for making a GIF is Vimeo, and you're actually just going to manage your videos. And then here is a recent video that I created. I'm going to go to that one. And over here on the right-hand side, you're going to click Advanced. And then once you're in this screen, you can see I've already made one here, but I'm going to show you how I did it. But there's a little option that says Create a GIF. So click that. And then you can put in the start and end time for the beginning and ending of the clip that you want to create, or you can just kind of drag it to where you want it. And for this one, I created it just in this 2 seconds here where the girls are cheersing. So little cheers on loop. And then you're just going to click Create GIF. And it will download for you.
and it will save for you, and then you can see it here. Once you have it created, it gives you lots of options. So you can embed it in an email, you can download it, you can copy the link, and so we're just going to click download, and then again I will airdrop it over to my phone in order to use it on social media, or if you want to use it in any other way, you totally can with either the links or embedding it, and gives you lots of options there. We're going to download the large file size for social media. Okay, so the last tool we're going to use for creating our GIFs is called Adobe Creative Cloud Express. It's very similar to Canva. It used to be called Adobe Spark, so if you've utilized that tool before, they just have a new name for it. And you can kind of do this really quickly. So you're just going to go down to the quick actions here, select Convert to GIF, and then you will drag and drop any video here. So I am just going to browse for a video, and then I'm going to choose my friend Bree's video that I recently made for her. And we are just going to go over and find the exact clip that we want to use. Right here. Okay, and you just want to make sure that your beginning and end is where you want it. Okay, and then now that we have the beginning and the end selected, you can go over here and choose what type of file size you want. For most social media purposes, you're going to choose medium. And if you do want to change up the dimensions at all, you totally can. If you want to make it square or portrait, depending on your video file, you might have some cropping and you might need to adjust it, but it does give you options here. And then you would just click download. And again, it will download and we will airdrop those over to our phone. So that's how I utilize them. I do feel like Canva gives you the most ability to be creative with the different elements that they allow you to add and adding in text. And then Vimeo, for me, it's a quick way to do it for clients if I'm already hosting their video over on Vimeo. And then if I have any other just quick files I want to convert, I do like using the Adobe Creative Cloud Express. So I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, lastly, I did want to show you here, you'll see if you go to your phone, you'll see your name pop up, and then you can go over to your downloads. And I'm just going to select these 3 that we just created, and I will airdrop them over to my phone, and I will show you what they look like.
Okay, so that's it. It's super simple for you to make them. I want to know, what are your favorite GIFs? If you want to tag me on social media with one of your favorite GIFs, I think mine are either the Michael Scott Raise the Roof with Dwight, or maybe the Shaq shimmy, where he's shimmying and looking at the camera all happy. Those are some of my favorite GIFs, and I would love to know what yours are. So now that you have the tools, go make a quick recording of yourself, and then utilize one of these programs to make the GIF and start sharing it with friends, family, clients, and I'm so excited to see what you create. Thanks so much for watching. Go over to shelearnsvideo.com for more info.